Wait.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, look. You're taking, oh, that's it. You have to do me a copy of this, Lou. And me. Or your camcorder. Oh, those babies.
Oh, look at him. Oh, look how clear that is as well.
Yeah.
Oh look, they're nudging the baby to go the right way.
Oh, he's backing off as if so. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. Look at that little in there, Lou. He don't want to go in. And they're nudging him.
Oh look, you know what it is? He says I'm not going to jump over there.
Oh look.
They're nudging him to move forward.
Oh look, he's frightened.
Go see them mattress. No, thank you.
No, I've been in. Already done.
I bet you that's how he's nice. Pushing him out the way. That must be the mother and the daughter. You will have a bar.
Oh look, that one don't want to go in.
Look at that little one up there, doll. Look, he's frightened. Do you know all this she's worried about is their doofus? Oh. She's following the mum now. Why they don't get mixed up, isn't it? Whose mum, whose baby belongs to who?
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Look at the tiny little one. I bet
Look
they're
at
both
him.
his legs. Oh my god, imagine that to them baby. Push him out the way. Oh, that's worth the journey. It's Sue. The children are panicking.
They get the shower as well as a bath.
She'll panic, won't she?